If you're going to use stock photos of people on your website and social media, they can't all be white people. Your audience is diverse, so your photos need to be diverse. You have to be intentional with this, which means having great stock photo resources in your back pocket. In this video, I give you 8 resources for stock photos that are ethnically diverse and royalty-free. Hey, my name is Sarah, and I share design tips for entrepreneurs, coaches, and course creators who want to look more professional online and make more money. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any tips. Now let's get into that video.
All right, number 1 is create her stock. And you can see it says right here, your destination for images featuring melanated women. And if you scroll down, you can sign up to her list to get free images every month. There's also a freebies page, and you can head to plans and pricing to see the costs there. But if we scroll down, we kind of get an indication of the types of images that are available. I love this hover effect. They're black and white till you hover over them, and then you can see them in color. It's really beautiful, some gorgeous options here, and plans and pricing is from $10 to $99, so definitely want to check that out. Next up is She Bold. Such a colorful site, just a rainbow here. If you scroll down, you can see you can become a member for as low as $29 a month. Here's Jasmine Hunt, she's the founder. You can learn more about her there, and you can get 20 free stock photos if you sign up right here. So if you want to know more about the cost of becoming a member, just go into the nav under Become a Member. And if you want to preview the library, go into Preview the Library. So let's go there first. I love how she laid this out. It's super easy to see all the little collections of images that are available. And like I said, if you want to become a member, just head here. You have to scroll pretty far down the page to get to the pricing tiers, but there they are, $29 to $299. Number 3 is Hot Stock. I had a Hot Stock membership in 2019. I loved it. The images were super airy and bright, very professional, and just a wide array of skin tones and options in here. Very feminine on the whole. You can get free stock photos if you sign up, and if you want to know about the membership, just head over there and you'll be able to find the pricing tiers down the page right here from $29 to $299. Next up is, I guess this is number 4, is Tonal. I love this site. It's so cool. It's like just a really unique site. First of all, the images are amazing, but I love the way they have arranged the content. You have some disability images, you have allyship, and the really fun thing is if you go across the top of the page, you can navigate through all of these words that start with T. And it's like an experience just to be on this site. And if you head to plans and pricing, you can see the pricing here from $25 to $250 for a la carte. They have enterprise and they have custom plans as well. Next up, you may not have thought of this, but Canva. If you go to canva.com/photos, you don't even need to be a member to browse this area. And they have the trending photos right there on the page. So there's a lot of really great racially diverse and inclusive photos showing up immediately on this page. You don't even have to search. If you're a member of the free account, then you can use the premium images. You just have to pay for them individually. And if you upgrade to the pro account, feel free to use my affiliate code for that, by the way, at sarahdesign.com/Canva. No extra cost to you, but helps support my business. Thank you. But if you upgrade, you can get access to all of their photos, plus graphics and icons and stuff, without having to pay individually. And these next 3 are free options, so you want to stick around, keep watching. And by the way, if you see some new diverse and inclusive stock photo sites on the scene that I have not included here, or ones that you use regularly and you can recommend, please comment below, because I think we should share those with everyone, and I'd love to make more videos and to update this with more resources. Next up is the Women of Color in Tech chat on FLICKR. So it's not a stock photo site per se, but all of the images are free. You just have to use the Creative Commons attribution license, which means you attribute them the way it says to right here. And a lot of these images are shots of women on computers. There's a lot of like hands on laptops and on keyboards. And as I was perusing this, I was like, wow, this looks like Microsoft, because I worked at Microsoft for a few years, and then I saw it actually says Microsoft. So these were definitely, many of these were shot in Microsoft offices, probably right here in Seattle where I live. So definitely check this out. It's a wonderful resource of free images, so there's really no reason not to come here. The next free one is nappy.co. So cool. It says beautiful high-res photos of black and brown people for free. And they have some gorgeous shots in here. Great use of light on this site, I've noticed. And just really real images. And if you go on the left, there's navigation where you can search by active, food, people, places, things, and work. So have fun perusing those categories as you're looking through this site. Next we have Picknoy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's okay because it's awesome. As you can see here, all images are free, and you can download the entire database if you want to pay $59. So that might be convenient for you. Beautifully, beautifully shot, high quality images, and completely free. So you definitely want to check some out. And after you grab a shot that you love, you're going to want to know how to use it. What do you do with it? How do you use it on your blog? So click the image in the screen to get to my video where you can learn more about how to use the stock photo shots that you have just downloaded. I'll see you there.